So today we're going to be taking a look at the best payroll software for your small business for this next year. Now, we're going to hop over here on our slide deck so I can go ahead and showcase what we're talking about as we're going through this. And as somebody who's been running small businesses for quite a few years now, I want to make sure that you have the best tools when it comes to running your business effectively. All right, so let's go ahead and go with the first one here today, and that's going to be with Gusto. Now, Gusto is actually the payroll service that I use the most and the longest. And they have some really great benefits, such as automatic payroll. Makes your life a lot easier. You don't have to be sitting there running numbers all day, every day. You also get unlimited payroll runs. So if you needed to pay every week, every 2 weeks, however you want to run it, there's no additional cost for running multiple payrolls. And you also have automatic tax calculations done for you based off of your state and your federal information. Makes life a breeze. Now, if you want to pay contractors, you can also have that easily added so you can pay them, and you can even do domestic and international payroll. So that way it makes it easier if you're having work done with other people in other countries. Now, if you're somebody who's a lot more mobile and doesn't want to use desktop as often when it comes to running payroll, Gusto's got you. You can actually run your entire payroll software directly on an app. Makes things simple and breezy on the go. Now, one of the biggest headaches when it comes to running your small business is all the tax paperwork that comes along with it. And Gusto makes things a lot easier. They streamline your tax filing for local, state, and federal payroll filings, and you can file in all 50 states. And they also have it for timesheets for your attendance, as well as scheduling available now as well. So you can schedule, do timesheets, as well as time off, all in the same app. Now, when it comes to hiring and onboarding, Gusto makes life a breeze here for you. You can actually do job postings. You could do documents for e-signing, as well as storing all of those documents. You could do application tracking, making sure people are on track to filing all of their documents, and custom onboarding checklist if your company has specific things when it comes to getting somebody signed up through your payroll. Now, something that Gusto does really well too is employee self-service. They actually have the ability to go ahead and update their direct deposits, get access to Gusto Money with their free debit cards as well. So that way employees don't have to come to you constantly about updating some of their direct deposit information. Now, Gusto also gives you the opportunity to offer employee health benefits. This is huge. It takes a lot off of your plate, and it goes directly through their services as well to connect you with companies that will align best with what you're looking for the amount of employees you have and what you want to offer. You could see here, you could do medical, dental, life, vision, HSAs, 401ks, workers' comp. You got a whole list of things that you can actually do. They also give you options for talent management to help keep track of performance, like KPIs, as well as great for reviews as well if you want to go ahead and do yearly, quarterly, or whatever level of reviews you want to have with your employees. Now, as of right now, there are several different tiers that you can get with a subscription, something as low as a $40 a month if you are looking to pay for yourself as taxes and in self-employment, or as high as anything from $150 a month plus a certain cost per employee if you're looking to get everything included with Gusto. Now, what's really great with Gusto is all these different tiers honestly give you really great features, especially if you're leveling up your business over time. So getting started with something like a simple plan is going to be able to go ahead and increase as time goes on to some of those higher plus plans or premium plans as needed. Now, when you are signing up, going through our link in the show notes down below is actually a great partner link for you that once you go ahead and sign up, you can actually get up to a $300 gift card running your very first payroll. That is just dependent on the number of employees you have, but that's a nice bonus to get just for going through the link in the show notes down below. Now, in the show notes down below, we're going to have links not to just Gusto, but some of the other companies we're going to be talking about here today as well. But what's really great too is I have additional tutorials for utilizing Gusto. All right, so I'm going to actually jump off screen here for just a moment so we can actually take a look at the next company here, which is going to be with Wave. Now, with Wave, they have a very easy setup. You can integrate your payroll software with your accounting software. You can run payroll in just minutes if you're really looking to get started quickly, and there are no hidden fees. Now, you can also pay employees and contractors, which generate W-2s and 1099 forms for your tax season. You can also see a breakdown of your payroll expenses by employee, expense type, and more. So you get a great integration between both payroll and accounting software. Now, you could also do automatic tax filing and payments. You can see here it's currently in the most largest states, and more are constantly coming online. So just something to keep in mind if looking at Wave. Now, more information with Wave is you can actually get self-service pay stubs and tax forms, which is great for employees to be able to log in securely and be able to access their pay stubs, W-2, and manage their contacts and banking information. Again, this is time off of your hands if they need to make those changes. Now, with direct deposits, you can have direct deposits quickly, reliably, and directly into your employee bank accounts. So that's always a great thing to pay your employees on time. And you can actually protect your team with workers' comp, only pay for what you use, and simplify your annual audits with workers' comp built for small business owners. Now, with Wave, you can also track leave time and accruals required to process your payroll. You also get a priority connection to their customer service support team via the chat on Monday through Fridays. Connect with their support team via email for prompt assistance. Now, they are currently available in the US and Canada and available in all provinces and territories except for Quebec if you are in Canada. Now, Wave has 2 tiers right now, and you can see the bottom tier here is going to be the self-service states. These are going to be $20 a month base fee plus additional costs for employees and contractors. And then the top option here is going to be the tax service states. This is where all your tax paperwork is going to be taken care of for you. And you can see that is a $40 base rate and additional costs per employee and independent contractor. Now, if you want to go ahead and check out that link in the show notes down below for Wave Payroll, they will give you a 30-day free trial using our partner link. So next up here is going to be with OnPay. Now, OnPay here for us is going to offer payroll, HR, and additional benefits offered to employees. You have hiring and onboarding, so you can do offer letters, W-4 forms, e-sign documents, employee handbooks, and NDA forms all available to you. They also have employee self-services such as access to pay stubs, updating bank information, as well as updating personal information. And then you also have employee benefit offers such as health insurance, workers' comp, and even retirement plans. Now, PTO management is a huge deal for a lot of small businesses. You can actually build custom accrual policies. Employees can easily request time off inside of the app, and all automated with the payroll included. Now, they handle all the federal, state, and local taxes guaranteed. You also get unlimited monthly pay runs, so you could do weekly pay runs if you really wanted to, and it will have no additional costs. You could also sync with your favorite accounting software, and then you could run payroll directly from your phone, again, if you're somebody who is on the go with their small business. Now, OnPay has probably the most simple pricing you can see right over here. It is baseline $40 a month plus $6 per person added onto the account. And if you go ahead and check out that link in the show notes down below, you will get your first month completely free with our partner link. Now, next up here is going to be Intuit QuickBooks Payroll. And you can see here, they have a full service payroll, including automated taxes and forms, calculates, files, and pays your payroll taxes for you. They can create and download reports for payroll history, bank transactions, pay time off, and tax payments. They also offer benefits for your employees such as health, finance, and workers' comp. You can also even do direct deposits. You can pay as quickly as the next business day, keeping in mind that those are going to accrue different costs for you. You also get employee accounts such as access to payroll stubs, W-2 forms, updating the direct deposit info, and updating their tax information as well. Now, you can also e-file with the IRS through QuickBooks, and you can see here you can create and file unlimited 1099s, automatically send copies to your contractors as well. You could also have a deep integration with your QuickBooks accounting. So if you already have that, QuickBooks Payroll will be a great integration, and they have expert support on phone and online. Now, they have 2 options when it comes to saving some money. You could either get a 30-day free trial or 50% off for 3 months if you plan on using this long term. And you could see they have a couple different tiers, the Payroll Core, Payroll Premium, and Payroll Elite, although they do change that name from time to time. You could see anywhere from as low as $50 a month, as high as $130 a month, plus additional costs per employee. Sort of all the options we talked about here today, this one definitely will have the highest premium when it comes to cost. Now, I mentioned earlier that the links to all these companies are going to be in the show notes down below. Some of those are partner links, which get you a nice sign-up bonus and allow us to make more free content just like this. And speaking of free content, we actually have our step-by-step guide to utilizing Gusto, which is our personal favorite from this list. So check out our video right over here on screen to keep on learning.